What is up guys, Stan at the sides. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Dropbox to n8n. So let's get started. So first, head over to the n8n's website and then sign in with your n8n account. And after that, in the new tab, the workflows will open wherein you will be redirected to the homepage of n8n. Now from here on the right side, we will click on create workflow and after that we will be redirected to the editor page of workflow. From here click on add first step and then click on trigger manually. And after that click on this plus icon and then in the search bar type in Dropbox. After that when you see this Dropbox option click on this and then you just need to select an action. And let's say I will choose this action to upload a file, and after that in the credential section I'll click on create new credential and from here I'll click on connect my account. After that a new pop-up window will appear asking me to connect the Dropbox with my n8n. I'll just simply allow and then as you can see my connection has been successful for Dropbox. After that from here I will choose the custom API, but for the custom API you need to use the HTTP request node to make the custom API call. But for now, I will just go to the developers tab of Dropbox and from here I will choose an API and then choose the type, just choose the full access and then you just name a random name to your application. After that, in the new tab, you will see the OAuth link. So if you're using the hosting version, just simply copy the OAuth link from here and then you can just simply paste it. And then when you click on add, it will generate a new access token. But to generate, I'll click on generate and then as you can see, the access token has been generated. And from here, you can just simply copy this access uh, general access token. I'll just copy it fully and I will paste it here in the general access token. If you are using the hosted version, you will see the option to paste the generate this access token. And when we talk about webhooks, here you will find the webhooks of your connection which you have created here for the Dropbox. After that, just simply copy it from n8n and then paste it here in the webhooks URL. And after that, it will automatically generate the access token, the client and the secret key, and just simply copy it from there and paste it to your n8n. And then when you are done, click on execute step. Then your Dropbox and n8n connection will be executed. And this is how you can connect Dropbox to n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.